once you perform the analysis, your model is going to be logged. Once you perform the analysis, your model is going to be logged. If you want to do any modification, any editing work in your model in respect of its modeling, in respect of change, making the change in your model, deleting of the beam, adding of the beam, correcting of the beam, if any kind of modification you want to do in your model. Second, if you want to do any modification in your assignment, like suppose for a beam, I feel that I need to assign another load. For column, I need to assign another load. For the slab, I need to assign some another load. I want to change the plan. Plan means changing of the load. Previously, I have assigned the suppose 2 kilonewton. Now I am changing my plan to change it to 3 kilonewton at a specific at a particular floor slab. सो अगर आपको किसी भी तरीके का मॉडिफिकेशन करना है इन एग्जिस्टिंग मॉडल और इन एनी काइंड ऑफ असाइनमेंट, सो फॉर एवरीथिंग you can't do it. Why? It is because your model is what analyzed, and once the analysis gets completed, your model will be logged here. तो अगर आपको कोई मॉडिफिकेशन करना है आपके मॉडल में, okay, if any kind of changes you would like to do, so first you need to unlock your model. आपको सबसे पहले आपके मॉडल को अनलॉक करना है, then only you can do the modification, right? So मैं यहाँ पर क्या कर देता हूँ, अनलॉक करूंगा. Like why I'm going to unlock, there is some important thing we have to discuss that we forgot to cover in the last session, okay, and that is important to cover before of the analysis. So first unlock your model, and let's say simply, okay, once you click over the unlock option, so this will give the intimation that please note unlocking of the model will delete the analysis result. क्या कह रहे हैं आपको ये, अगर आप मॉडल को अनलॉक करते हो तो आपने जो भी एनालिसिस किया था उसके साथ जो भी रिजल्ट्स आपके डेवलप हुए थे, जो भी एनालिसिस रिजल्ट फॉर्म हुए थे, दैट ऑल रिजल्ट विल बी व्हाट डिस्कार्डेड, विल बी डिलीटेड. सो ऑब्वियसली आवर इंटेंशन इज टू डू द मॉडिफिकेशन. सो पहले का रिजल्ट का आपको कुछ काम है, कुछ एप्लीकेशन है आपको पहले के रिजल्ट का. हेलो,
नो सर.
नो, हम लोगों को तो ऑब्वियसली रिजल्ट तो डिस्कार्ड हो गई. लेट्स से सिंपली ओके, once you click over the okay, now your model will be unlocked, means now you are allowed to do any modification in your model, any changes in your model, but previously you are not able to do any kind of modification unless and until you are not unlocking your model. First thing. Second, why I am going to unlock this model, because see, just go to plan. Okay, see, I'm going to again perform the analysis. I'm going to again perform analysis once more. One more thing, try to understand. If you are working over any model or any project, okay, and like if you are going to means stop the work, you are going to close that project, and after few days you are again going to open that model. So here, as you have seen that the model was logged because analysis was done. सो आपको उसी के साथ प्रोसेस नहीं करना है, आपको फिर से मॉडल को अनलॉक करना है और फिर से एनालिसिस करके आगे प्रोसीड करना है. इज दैट ऑल ओके? हेलो, लाइक सपोज मेरा मॉडल यहाँ पर देखिए इस तरीके से लॉक हो गया, लॉक हो गया. लाइक सपोज आफ्टर 5 days, आफ्टर 10 days I have opened this project, so I am getting what analysis has been done. So not blindly I will not go for the design and for the later action.
Yes sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay.
Sir, without analysis, can we lock our model?
Yes, here it is what giving, but it is not the meaning that analysis has been done. Okay, here it is what giving the option. Once you have completed the analysis, okay, this will giving the option, this what lock, unlock, but it is not the meaning that analysis has been completed, right? So don't go with this option.
Welcome you all in ASO certified live training program ETABS, RCDC and Excel that makes you professional structural engineer. In this training program you will learn everything about ETABS and RCDC from basic to advanced, real life project of medium rise structure from architecture plan to final design sheet, real life project of high rise structure with all advanced topics, design of structural elements using advanced Excel sheets. Have a look over the features of this training. Daily live classes conducted by expert for 1.5 hours. Recording of every session with lifetime access. Can interact with expert anytime 24/7. Exposure to real practice ISO certification of training completion. It's 5-star rated training program. Till now more than 1000 participants have benefited from this training program. Now you are the next.